Hey guys, and again welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Alok Pandey, and today I'll be solving my next question on Leetcode. So let's get started. Today we have problem number 485, max consecutive ones. So this is easy problem on Leetcode. So let's get started. As usual, I'll be reading the question, I'll explaining the approach, I'll be solving this question live on Leetcode. So let's get started. So here it is written, given a binary array nums, return the maximum number of consecutive ones in the array. What does it means? After reading the question, this is very easy question. Okay, so it is like we have array of nums, that is a binary array we have. In that we have to check the consecutive ones. What does mean by consecutive ones? Consecutive ones means one after another means एक के बाद एक के बाद एक. Suppose we have a number line, we have an array 1 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 2 3, so we have to check consecutive ones, but we have to check also the maximum consecutive ones, not the single consecutive ones. So let's see the example number 1. We in our input nums we have array, we have 1 1 0 1 1 1. So this is consecutive, 1 1 is consecutive, but 0 is not consecutive. So here the length of the our consecutive ones is 2, and here 1 2 3 we have 3 consecutive ones. So here our question is max consecutive, that's why our output is 3. In explanation also it is written, the first 2 digits or the last 3 digits are consecutive ones, but the maximum number of consecutive one is 3, that's why our output is 3. In example number 2, our input is 101101, that's why our output is 2, because we have the maximum consecutive ones. So how we can solve this question? So very firstly, for solving this question, we have to initialize, or we have to make two variables of current element, or current number, or max number. So I have a screenshot for this also. Let's see. Yeah, suppose we have this array 110111. Okay, so we'll create a variable and initialize it with 0. Our count will be 0 and our max count also will be 0. After that we'll give a loop for iterating. In that we'll give a condition, if n equals to 1. If n equals to 1, in that case counter will be plus plus, else again our counter will be 0. See here, if we'll checking count is equals to 1, in that case our max count is 1. Okay, fine. Again it will check, like counter will be plus plus, it will go to this one, in counter will be 2. In that case our max counter will be this one, and this one will be 2. After that again it will check, our counter is 0, here it is 0. So that's why again our on that time also our max count will be 2. After that again it will check, our count will be 1 and our max count will be 2, because we'll not update it again, because already it is 2. In count equals to 2, in that case also it will be not updated. But when we will come here, count equals to 3, in that case it will be updated, our max count will be updated to 3, and this is our output. So let's get started to code. So here we have class solution, we have method of int max consecutive ones, we have array of int nums. So let's get started. Very firstly, what I will do, I will initialize and I will make my variable int count, and I will give it 0, or I can give it current count, anything, current count, int current count. Okay, int current count equals to 0. After that I will make my max count as well. Max count, again I will initialize it with 0. After that I will give a for loop for iteration, int I equals to 0, I less than nums dot length I plus plus, curly braces will start from here, and here I will give my first condition. If my nums of I is equal to 1, in that case update my current count. Means, what does it means? Current count plus plus, update it, and max count will be math dot max count, and here it will be current count. Okay, else condition, else when it is breaking, like after 110 is coming, in that case if our current count is not 0, in that case it will be 0. After that this यहाँ पे else complete होगा, यहाँ पे for loop. Here I will I will here return my max count. Let's run and check the output. Here's a compilation error. Okay, here statement terminator was not there. I missed it. Here math spelling error is wrong. MATH small will be there. Accepted. Okay, so our nums is 110 111. Our output is 3, our expected output is also 3. Here it is, our expected output is 2 and our output is 2. So let's submit. It is 48.65 bits, not bad. Okay, and here our time complexity is big O of n, because this is iterating in for loop for n times. So that's why our time complexity is big O of n. And with this I have solved 37 questions on my Leetcode platform. This is my profile and my max streak is 27 and today's date is 27 September. अभी रात का 1:45 हो रहा, मीन्स रात के 2 बज रहा है. So guys, if you have any queries, if you have any doubts regarding this question or any other questions, you can write me in my comment box, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you really like my efforts. Please, and मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. Stay tuned, stay happy and stay healthy.